Get y'all slice. Okay, y'all, I'm at Domino. We're going to pick up an order. Let's go. Hi. Okay. Oh, look, they got a manager special. Oh, for $11.99. I like the blue flower. You guys. Yeah, the lot. I don't know. Give me my pizza. Yeah, we ordered. So yeah, we ordered Domino's. Here goes mine. Here goes my pizza. I have Alfredo. I have Alfredo sauce, jalapenos, onions, bacon, sausage, and pepperoni. Bow, bow, bow. I get excited about food. At first I was like, what is? I thought they was talking about lost dog shit. I can do that shit myself. I got Noxzema at home.
But it's cheap. Everything is $10. Well, see, I just want to do the
y'all.
Them cut his nails.
Oh, you talking about the
and that's only $20.
Yeah, this not even working. This shit.
Cheers.
Oh.
And it is a box of pizzas.
But look, it's not even picking up that much. I need something
Chuck E. Cheese.
like this. That's what I need. Okay, y'all, we're not gonna be here that long. Baby, I'm gonna pull this chair back up because this is not working. That only worked real good when I went live. I was going vertical. So I'm gonna bring my butt back all the way up. And we finna try this pizza. And I don't, son, look in the bag and give me some napkins. I brought some napkins, sure did. Y'all get y'all slice. Get y'all slice. Alfredo sauce, cheese, sausages, jalapeno, bacon, and pepperoni. And it's fresh. Why it smell a little tangy? I think that's the jalapeno. Y'all can't even see me pull it apart. This would be perfect, just like this. I need something just like this. Ooh, hot. Woo! She said, there, Jamal. There you go, y'all. Good. Nice and spicy. Okay, y'all.
Okay.
We went to the vet. We went to UPS. We went to UPS. Well, we went and picked the grocery up. Oh, we went to $2 store.
Bag me on DoorDash.
What you say?
Sounds like I'm bagging on DoorDash.
Oh, Jamal done burnt his lip up. He had cheese pool and everything. What kind of crust you got?
The New York.
Oh, I was gonna say mine's there. Oh. Yeah, it's good. I haven't had pizza in a long time. Like from a place, right? Yeah. Only thing, they really didn't put too much Alfredo sauce on here. Yeah, they didn't put too much Alfredo sauce. Your lip burnt off?
I'm just thinking how an extra large one would be.
It's a good size for one person.
I'm talking about New York style.
Oh. Baby, I don't know. This is... I should have got some pineapple. I sure should. I wish I would have got some pineapple. That would have been good with the jalapeno. So Jamal got him a New York style pizza with bacon, red sauce, and cheese. Yeah, I really don't see too much Parmesan cheese. I mean, Alfredo sauce. What did they put in it? It's funny, Domino's always hiring drivers.
It's hard on the chicken, 2 people. There only be 2 people back there. The other 2 be driving.
But I would say whoever their manager is and the owner of this, because Domino's franchise, they do an amazing job. The inside of it look a little off in a way. How you walk in and seem like that other room was something. But the quality, the quality of their food is really, really good. Even when we have it delivered, their food is always fresh and on point. What the PTC stand for? What is this? Play time?
Taken care of.
Like a little daycare.
No, that is a daycare.
Where?
The grooming place.
The grooming place is a daycare too? Pet taken care of. What's this about?
I don't know if it actually means it.
Look it up. It got a dog.
Oh, it's a restaurant.
It got a, yeah, I think that's a Jamaican restaurant. I'm gonna try that. Well, there's 2 of them, right?
Some with an M.
Take the wheel.
An M restaurant. I can't make it out. Some with an M.
All right, y'all. That's it for me. A lady walking a big old dog in there. We heading home now. Yeah, that was good. Yours look real good and cheesy.
Pediatric therapist in there.
Where? Oh, why they got a dog face? What about all that bullcrap? You guys, that pizza was so good. I wanted to eat another slice, but I know, you know how the bread kind of give you a little pounds on you. But anyway, that pizza was good. Let me know how you like your pizza. And let me know if you like pineapples on your pizza. I love pineapples on my pizza. I'm surprised I didn't get any. Yeah, next time I will get pineapples and some other toppings. But let me know how you like your pizza. If you made it this far to the video, drop a pizza emoji. Yeah, drop a pizza emoji because this video is all about a pizza, right?
Thanks for watching, you guys. Thank y'all so much for your love and support. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell because I will be dropping videos every day. Bow, 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 bow. Thank y'all.